was the drive?
It was pretty good. It was my first time driving it, so it was pretty fun.
Yeah?
They don't know. Y'all don't know, do you?
What happened?
You know what?
What
The
happened?
last time you're seeing this car for, I can't tell you how long, but you're not gonna see it much longer.
For what?
What do you mean, for what? Yeah.
why?
You're mad you didn't get the last drive. You see that? Yeah.
Where's it going?
Yeah, where is it
I
going?
can't tell you.
She's the one that drives it more.
She's gonna come. She's going to get some work done on her.
Oh, she's getting work done?
She's getting work
Okay.
done.
What's she getting done?
What's she getting?
A little
Yeah,
bit
what's
of
she...
action.
Oh, we're gonna have a McLaren.
Maybe I might be kidding. Maybe she's just going to get a tune-up.
Oh.
Or maybe we're just gonna do some donuts. You won't be able to push it that hard anymore.
Why not?
Cause she's changing.
In a good way, though.
It's not you, it's me.
Yeah.
Ferrari versus McLaren?
Yeah. You gotta have a nickname for this one.
This blur that out. Nobody can know until it comes back.
Hey,
A little bit of stickies on here.
is the McLaren really big? Oh, no, I can't do this.
Yeah, I told you.
How long?
Maybe 30 days.
30
maybe,
days.
maybe 60 days.
I can't.
What do you mean you can't? You still got her.
Oh,
She's mad at you now.
I'm
gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. It's not you. It's us. Nothing's ever good enough. You know what I mean? Like, you're great. Stop. But
Bye-bye.
you can be better.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy moly! That was it right there. That was it. All right, AJ's hopping in. Boy.
How many people you know have been in a car, 2 McLarens that have done donuts? Pikachu or Mewtwo? We'll find out. Donies! I'll put my seat. There we go.
Oh my gosh! Dude! Yeah, it's spun a little different that time. Probably rubber. It's like a little line.
I think that works, right?
Yeah, we're good. Dude, that was crazy. That was fun. Get ready for a sick build. Like working with Rohana on a special project for the wheels, and then gonna do something unique with the paint. So hopefully we'll be able to reveal that sometime beginning of December. We'll see.
Good job. You got it all. No one ever wants to believe me with these projects. Nothing ever is good enough. But on a serious note, the McLaren is leaving. Flip side, we have a couple of projects coming back from Gintani, including the STO and Aventador. Dave was just there a few weeks ago. Let's see what they got into. Wheels.
Yeah, I kind of went for like a Diablo kind of a look.
It does look like that. It's like a graphite gray in there, huh? Yeah.
So that's the RWB that Alex said he's going to sell me for $120,000.
If we're gonna sell you an RWB for $120,000, we gotta go to.
It's not going to be that one.
It's not gonna be that one. And the car, they're paying you guys $20 for the ticket.
Facts.
Oh yeah. It's still cold, but we'll open it up right now. It's just like, it's literally taking a Aventador and a Huracan and just meshing them together. That's a nice rifle right there. It's a lot roomier than the Aventador.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's more comfortable, especially over here. It moves all the controls up here.
Yeah.
So you don't have to have all this like clutter down here, which helps a lot, but the car drives really, really smooth. And it's freaking pretty fast. I mean, 1,000 horsepower from the factory is not a joke.
No.
I mean, cars are getting crazy these days, you know?
How's the traction been? Pretty good? Does it hold pretty well?
Once we get enough miles, hopefully it'll let us launch it. But, it's so cool. revs up to 9,000 RPM. So we got a little bit more to go, and then we could really give her hell. I wish we could actually launch this thing because I've been dying to launch it. Do you think this is fast?
Yeah.
Your Aventador is going to be a lot faster than this. Your Aventador will probably have another 500 horsepower on top of what this has, at least. So yeah, the Aventador with turbos is a whole different story. So this thing's fast, especially for a factory car. I mean, it's not a joke. And the SF90 beat it. I mean, my buddy has an SF90, so we'll try it out and see how my car does against the SF90. But I think this car is a lot more stable than an SF90. This SF90 is all over the place. This car is very grounded. It drives amazing.
Yeah.
I think it's more comfortable than an SF90. But the 296 is a really cool car too. Yeah. Dave dropped and rolled the phone real quick for a second.
Holy crap.
Pretty quick, huh? And it sounds good.
That sounds amazing.
It does, right?
Holy crap.
It's very, you see the shifts and everything?
Yeah. Good Lord.
Brakes really well. I'm very, I depend on the brakes.
Yes.
But they work very good, so I know they're good to go.
Holy crap.
It's quick, no?
Oh yeah. I can't wait to see what that S does.
When those turbos kick on the freaking Aventador S, so get ready. That's why I told you can't have air suspension.
Yeah.
Can you
No.
imagine
Bouncing
flying
around
like this, bouncing around, and one airbag blows?
No.
You're done, dude.
No.
This is the Revuelto. It's a lot of fun. It sounds pretty good.
It sounds freaking amazing.
It is pretty fast.
Yeah.
And then they've built a hell of a car.
Yes, they have.
Dave is our wonderful customer who's had patience for us with moving and everything else. We got his Aventador S right on top of a Carrera GT right now. If it falls down, we're gonna have a serious freaking problem. So hopefully it doesn't. But the Aventador's motor is getting ready to go in, and we're getting ready to twin turbo that car. It's got a built motor. It's getting all our bells and whistles. The car should make over 1,500 horsepower to the wheel. So he could go out there and mess with it. It was on airbags. We're gonna get rid of those things because I've convinced him that he can't drive a car like that on airbags. So we're gonna get rid of that.
Yeah.
Now that was our first project we started, and then I convinced Dave to buy my green STO. So the car's right here, as you guys can see. We have it completely apart. It is getting our stage 1 kit. We have the front apart. We're doing all the methanol kit and everything installed. This car is getting our newly designed intercoolers, which we just finished cutting. It'll have our chiller system. It's gonna have basically everything. The turbo kit that's on it right now, the turbos are good for about 2,000 horsepower. So even if we wanna push it later on, we got 2,000 horsepower on tap the second we wanna go. But obviously we wanna go further than that. So when it comes back, the intercoolers and stuff are obviously made to be able to handle 3,000 plus horsepower. So what we'll probably do is pull the turbos out, get them bigger, build the motor, put it in there, and then go racing. So we're gonna be recording all of this. This car should be going back together next week. We'll get it on the dyno, do a quick pull, get everything tuned in for him so we can ship it out to Florida. And then the Aventador is next. He has a bunch of stuff planned that they're gonna be doing painting wise and this and that. And we're gonna come down to Florida for the next
It's kind of a release date, yeah.
release date. We're gonna put a release date. We'll fly down with the crew and come hang out with you guys and, you know, release the car, the Aventador. This will already be there, but
Thank you.
thank you for having a customer and such a nice guy like this. Just stay tuned. We'll get the car back to him and hopefully all you guys will enjoy it. Thanks. Take care.
So there you have it. We got the Ferrari, the McLaren's being sent off. Those Lamborghinis are coming back. And you saw Dave. I'm really jealous of Dave. Don't tell him this, but I'm jealous that he got to ride in a Revuelto before I did. Because that car is out there. Maybe we could convince Dave into getting one. Maybe leave a comment. Say, Dave, get a Revuelto. A purple one or an orange one. Because I'm about tired of the blue cars. But anyway, we're going to be at SEMA this up and coming week. If you're watching this in the future, check out some of our SEMA content. 5th through the 8th, Las Vegas. We'll see our new build there. I can't uncover it just yet, but maybe it's already in the garage. Maybe you guys have seen it. Maybe it's, a quintuplet. We'll find out. We'll see y'all at SEMA. Until the next video, we out.